What's up guys, it's your boy Axel here. I think this is my first time making a YouTube video before because I only post shorts, because I don't have much time. So yeah, so let's play the game called More Pop. So let's play. What should we be? Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think we should be a mere. Not wait. Let's find. Wait. Oh yeah, let's be a meerkat. A tiny lookout of the plane, quick on its feet, but it won't survive a fight. It can run from. Oh wait, there's an alien event running. So yeah, the point of the game is collect orbs and level up. So yeah, you need to be the strongest in the game. So that's why I'm playing right now, to be the strongest, you know what I'm saying? So let's morph up and become a zebra. Bolts away in a burst of speed when the plane turns dangerous. Okay. Hey yo, why these zebras follow me? Hey yo bro, I'm not your homie. I'm not your wife or something. I'm pretty bad at English because I'm a Filipino and these guys keep following me. Why? You gotta be kidding me, bro. And a hyena tried to kill me too.
ひどいな。人の心とかないんか?
Ain't no way, bro. Let's be a meerkat again, bro. Yo, this zebra keep following me, bro. What are your problem? Finally, bro, that zebra left me alone. Finally, I can morph again. Bites down and lets the wound do the rest, poisoning prey over time. Oh, that's actually nice. By the way, guys, our goal here is to become a lion, king of the jungle. So yeah, we need to go fast forward. And what the heck is this animal following me? Is that a buffalo? Or I don't know. I just don't know what type is it because it's pretty black and there's a moose following him. RIP for that guy because he has no stand because the moose is pretty big, you know. So yeah, let's fast forward. And last orb finally, and let's become a cheetah, the fastest morph on the plane. Sprint down anything that tries to flee. So it's just a sprinter. Not bad because cheetah move fast, Yo, a zebra, let's kill him. Never mind. And there's a lion too. Ain't no way. And hey, they're fighting. No. Yo, I don't know what animal is that. Yep, RIP to the, I don't know animals that, and let's run because the lion's chasing us. Please lion, leave me alone. I just want to become a lion too. We family, okay? I think he's following me. No, I don't, bro. I hope I don't die. Yo, let's kill this hyena. I wanna take my revenge of overkilling me. Yes. I want a taste of your meat. Not like that, guys. Don't be freaky, okay? Yeah, yes. I'm almost. Come here, boy. Come. I finally tasted it. Delicious. No, not like that, guys. And finally, we can morph up to become a lion, king of the jungle. I've been waiting for this. Hands in a pride. Grow stronger for every other lion nearby, and pride member cannot harm each other. Oh. So we need to find another lion to be collided. You know what I'm saying? Teamwork, teamwork. Yes, teamwork. I'm going to chat who's a lion. Michael Jackson said me. Ain't no way you're not Michael Jackson. I said me lion too. Yeah, my English is pretty bad because I'm a Filipino. Where y'all? Yeah, I'm texting that. He said he's in a dirt biome. So on an ant biome like this. Oh, let's find him, guys, so we can get buff and damage and speed. Yes, I find him. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, let's team. He said hi. If we stick together, I spell it wrong. Oh my god. He said yeah. If we stick together, we get bonus, okay? So yeah, you see, we have pride, 15 damage and speed. So yeah, let's team. You know what? Let's kill people. Let's kill animal. Let's kill them. We're the king of the jungle. We team in pride, okay? And let's kill this. Is that a cheetah? Yes, let's kill this cheetah. Ain't no way, bro, it's going on water. Wait, is that a polar bear? Yo, let's kill it. Yes. Equal big animal equal big money. Yes. Yo, another lion. Hey bro, another lion. Pride, 30% damage and speed. Yo. Wait, is that an orca? There's a lot of different animals in this ocean. Let's kill it. Guys, let's kill this. Let's kill this orca. Bro, we're so slow on water, bro. I guess we're stuck. Yo, is that two mammoth? Is that a mammoth or an elephant? I don't know. Is this orca friendly or not? I think it's not friendly. And there's two mammoth waiting on the ground, so they want to kill us. No, bro's going standby. No, that orca is killing my friend lion. No, ain't no way, bros. No, I'm gonna attack you, orca. No, bro, you killed my friend. Nah, I'm going to take my revenge. And there's a turtle roaming around. Turtle, help me, turtle. Help me kill him. Yes, kill him. W turtle, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you.